All right, y'all. We are back with another challenge. So we tried shotguns only. That didn't work.
What you got?
Tell me if you see it.
Nope.
No!
I got him. We knocked each other. Oh my god.
And I mean at all. It was terrible. And then Naya joined and it got worse. What the hell?
Oh, he cracked. Hold on. I'm almost knocked him.
Somebody at this door right here.
Naya ate all my shots.
What am I getting hit? I'm getting hit through the wall, y'all. I can't make this up. I'm getting hit through the. Help me up!
No way. I'm coming. I'm here.
Bro.
I was gonna start dying. Said Naya joined it. It got worse. Oh my god. I was trying to hold my laugh. I almost spit on my water. I swear.
Like the skin. I ain't gonna lie to you. I sold real good. I'm nowhere next to you.
No, you
Oops.
good, you good.
Oops. I forgot that quick. Okay, so I guess I'm a reject. Guess I'm punching mode.
Alright, I got an Eva 8 and a Sentinel.
And
Oh, somebody in my building.
Oh, here I come. Don't lose that purple.
Oh, I knocked him. And I'm lagging. You suck.
Why?
Get him.
I'm ready.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm lagging so bad I don't even know how I shot her.
They coming, bro.
I grabbed everything but the Phoenix.
I guess I'm playing shotguns only. Can you slide, ho? Armani, look above me.
I'm trying to snipe him. I can't aim. My internet's cheating.
I'm about to die.
I hit all 7s, bro. What is going on my internet? I hit 7, 8, 7, 8. What the freak is this game? I would be doing so much better right now if my internet wasn't.
Why are you being weird?
It's a whole nother squad being weird.
They're above us. They're above.
Can you make it oh, shoot. Use your face.
I already used it.
This game is so chopped. You want to go?
I'm going back this way. I don't have nothing. His name is Dami Mommy. I'm about to flank this team right here. Hit him for 63.
Oh, I see him. She right above you. I'm climbing up.
They chasing you. I think, or he chasing me. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I hit him. My shot ain't registered. Well, I'm done with this game. Bro.
Oh yeah, he lit.
I'm so done, bro. I'm restarting my junk, bro. I hit him when he was chasing you, and that junk it just dink.
All right, second round, second try, ho. Armani internet. Hopefully it don't suck this time. Maybe we can get some wins under our belt.
Hold on, I gotta go get some.
We lost. I'm sorry, I might have to do it to you. Have to do it to make sure I escape. Have to do it to make sure I escape.
Bro. It's okay.
For the greater good. For the greater good.
And I'm still lagging. Ooh.
Stuck him. Oh, he's stuck. Oh yeah, he real bad. Oh my god, it don't even matter, bro. What's going on right now? Like, maybe we gotta come back. Okay, we gonna try to complete this without him. Hold on, take this garbage off. You see that? This recolor? You can't find this recolor anywhere else. I told you. Look at him. Oh my god, everything happening right now. Corey calling me, my girlfriend texting me. She's trash. I can't turn up. Decline! Decline it, Siri! Decline! I closed my laptop and it's still ringing. I am so sorry, y'all. I am so unprofessional, ho. Okay, look. We'll take it. Watch this. That's one.
1 hour later.
Alright, shotguns and snippers. Nothing to be found.
Suck me dry. Now don't sell me Peacekeeper. We should be just fine. Come here, good buddy. Oh.
Oh, she went. Got it. Here it go.
Hit her for 88.
I hit nothing.
That's same, buddy.
I killed their teammate. I'm finna shield swap real quick.
There we go.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Hitting every shot. Hitting every shot. They coming. Hit her for 89.
Oh yeah, they better. Oh, the other squad in here.
Oh hell.
Are you serious?
What the?
Oh, how did they walk through it?
Back up, climb.
I'm running.
Did I miss?
I can't. I fell all the way down. I'm dead. They all down here. He gonna chase me down here just to die, bro? They all dead. I mean, it's just one squad. They finna kill this last dude. Oh, never mind. Good stuff. He healing right here. Yup. Last one coming up. He inside. His teammate knocked. His teammate.
I fucking failed.
He dropped down.
Oh, he's stupid.
Head up for 47.
I did not mean to do that. I'm panicking.
I got him. I no-scoped that boy. Oh my god.
What is
He
going
got
on?
med kits.
That was sloppy, but it worked.
We gonna do it every time.
Do what every time?
Prevail.
Okay.
Right here. And there's another one right below. Yep, there you go. That brother over there getting jumped. Hold on, let me get a little closer.
Fuck. Man, oh.
Oh, he cracked.
Oh, wait a minute, 158.
Oh, I knocked him.
Hey.
Nope.
Flip. Oh my god.
Nope.
Oh, I see the other one. I see the other one.
Okay,
I got him.
okay.
I'm gonna just wait for him to stop freaking. Oh yeah. Get him. Oh yeah.
He's mad as hell as soon as he started doing
Oh
that.
god.
They were robbing. I'm done.
On this side, that's the horizon. Let's hold it person. I can't aim right now.
Please hit.
They coming, bro.
Please
I got her.
run. I'm a sellout. That's all that is.
They coming.
I can't aim, bruh. He finna do me dirty.
Oh no, he did me dirty. I got freaking
No.
stunned. This game's so trash.
36.
Use my Evo. I mean my not.
I'm
Oh yeah. Papa Bat is on. Papa Bat, you running mad far.
about to. Ooh, okay, calm down, Jar. You got this.
You got it.
Get the reload.
She got scared. Right here around the corner. You got it, bro. You got it. Oh, I thought that was the last squad.
Oh, no. Oh my goodness, my heart beating so fast. My heart is beating so freaking fast, dude.
They so garbage, bro. Sears son. Ooh, I'm so almost there pissing y'all.
Is
Where the heck is this rat at?
Here, right here.
You thought it was safe up here? Freak you doing?
I keep missing.
Punch him.
Stop
Punch him.
missing. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad at the game, bruh. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, well that was the challenge. That didn't take that. Well, it seemed like it took long for us because we had to stop in the middle because our money internet sold us. But for y'all, that was probably like that was 3 matches. But I really hope y'all enjoyed that.
You're me out right now, it sound like music to me. Please come home, cause I miss you, Gary.